What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is my 2019 Chevy Silverado crew cab standard bed 5.3 Z71 LTZ. I have a new product to show you guys. I've been waiting to show you guys this. I've talked about it previously, so you guys have heard about what this product is doing for me, but you haven't seen the product itself yet. So this product is a protective product. It is an oil coat. All right, for me and my process and what I do with my vehicles, I see very, very, very high hopes and high success with the process that I use for protecting my vehicles against salt and rust and corrosion and rock chips. So as you guys know and have watched in the previous videos, I do have an undercoat on this truck and an oil coat. And I also have a protective film from XPEL from the company Block a Chip in Menor on Tyler Boulevard. I'll leave their description right here. But the oil coat, but what is it? Let's see what it is. All right, a lot of you guys are used to this fluid film. This was the next big thing. This was the new gotta have it oil coat process. Another thing with this was wool wax. A lot of people went into the wool wax thing, and then a lot of people switched over to this, or switched from this to wool wax. And these products do the same exact thing, but I'll leave the link in the description of the video that I watched and that made me a believer in this new product from PB Blaster. And this is what it is. So we are out with that and in with the new. So this is Surface Shield, guys, the new product from PB Blaster. Long lasting surface shield, rust protectant. It does the same exact thing that fluid film and wool wax does, but better. All right, and to show you how good it works is I'll give credit to where I watched the video from. So again, that link is in the description of the video that I watched on YouTube. Yes, I watch YouTube videos as well. Even though I do make YouTube videos, we all watch YouTube videos as well when we have time to, when we're not editing our own videos. But his video made me a believer in this product. You can only get this at Home Depot. I think it's $8 a can right now. I bought 4 cases of this stuff. That's how much of a believer I was in this product after seeing that video. It has the same, I guess, liquidity in that video as fluid film, but it beats out that wool wax, especially. I think that was what he used to show the comparison in those 3 different buckets. But this is definitely good for your door jams and getting in those crevices and holes, as well as the main big surfaces on any vehicle, which is the undercarriage, all your frame, your shocks, leaf springs, all that stuff. We'll say if you get any of this on your exhaust, it will smell a little bit. Each time you turn your vehicle on and your exhaust gets hot, some of that smell will come off and have an aroma around the vehicle. So I will state that, as well as if you get a painted undercoat as well. So you have to get used to that smell. For me, I'm all right with it because I know exactly what these products do for my vehicles. As you guys know, I have a 230,000 mile 01 Dodge Ram, and I don't have one tiny little rust spot on that truck, and it has 230,000 miles on it and still runs strong and looks pretty good. The only reason why I have scratches on it is because it's from my work truck and I do landscaping with it. If it didn't, it'd look flawless like this truck right here, this brand new truck. But I want to protect this truck and get this truck to 235,000 miles as well, and still look like this when it's at 230,000 miles, just like my 01 Dodge Ram does. Even though, yes, again, that does have some sun damage on the roof and sides right there, and then the one tiny little rust spot. But it looks pretty good for an 01 Dodge, doesn't it? I would have to say so. A lot of you second-gen Dodge guys, you know where those rust spots start, and I have none of those. So the process that I'm doing, I'm gonna stick to it, and I hope you guys will follow along suit as well. But this is the product, guys. It sprays just like a spray paint can just like any other can. It sprays just like fluid film. It has that fluid film color as well, so it's that kind of little light yellow tint film. I have it on this bottom part here. I don't know how well you guys will be able to see that. There's just a little coating, but we can go ahead and give it a little touch-up coat right now, actually, while I'm filming this for you guys, because I did wash the truck yesterday. But the reason why, top reason why I am a fan of this product is because it doesn't wash off. If you put a power washer to it, some of it will come off a little bit, yes, but if you're standing about maybe 10 feet like I am with a power washer, it's not coming off. It sticks there, and that guy shows that in that video as well. So that was one of the selling points for me. And as you can see, it's still on here, and I washed the truck yesterday. I didn't put a big brush on this part right here, but I did wash all the paint you see. I didn't put any up here, but I mean down here where most of the rust starts on vehicles. None of that washed off, so it's still there, and I am very happy about that. And that's why I'm going to use this product here and continue to use it and have it be my new rust proof product. So let me shake the can up a little bit here, guys, and we'll get a new touch up. This black part here, that's getting a little black there, that's just a little bit of surface road grime from this stuff. It is sticky, so some dirt will stick to that stuff. So let's go ahead and get a little spray in here, a little touch up. So I'm going to just use light back and forth. That looks good there. I will say, if you got a wife like I do who likes to rub up against the doors when she gets in and out, don't spray your passenger side. If you got a wife that likes to scrape her foot across when she gets inside the vehicle, it will get on her UGG boots. It will get on her shoes, and she will be upset at you. But you're gonna just brush it off because you know what you're doing to your vehicle and how long your vehicle is gonna outlast hers. So I'd say go ahead and do it anyway if you really want to. But if it's a really big problem for you guys, then just go ahead and skip the passenger side and just do your side, because you'll know to pick your feet up, but she won't. She may not get the concept down. But I did spray my door jambs as well. This is perfect for door jambs. I highly encourage all of you to spray your door jambs as well. I did my front, did my rear door jambs as well with this stuff. This could probably use another little light coating. And that's how simple it is. I did use the straw here to stick up there and spray the inside of the door on all 4 doors. I did take it up a little bit as well. So a lot of people don't do that, and you should, because some salt and corrosion does happen up here and just trickles down and corrodes everything else. So I do go ahead and bring it up just a bit. I don't do the entire thing, but I do go up a little bit further than a lot of the other people do. And again, I find a lot of success with doing it this way, and I will stick to it. But this is the new product, guys. I just wanted to show you guys what it is, what I've been talking about in all of my videos, and finally show you guys what the product is and what I'll be using from now on until they make something better than this. So this does beat out what everybody has been using for a few years now, which is the fluid film. I still use this stuff occasionally. I won't discredit it. There's nothing bad to say about this. This works very well. But I have found something that works a lot better and sticks a lot better. I feel like fluid film washes off a little bit easier. It's not by a long shot or a big mile, so I will say that and be real with you guys. It's not by a long shot. Fluid film is great. It works. Surface shield, great, works, and lasts longer. So I'm gonna stick to this and go from the fluid film to the surface shield. And again, if you guys are sticking with fluid film, by all means, stick with it. It does work. But for me and what I saw, I'm going Surface Shield. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.